work that we're doing is making other people's lives easier. You may have some friends that may be going to a Seb Laser or a Heyday and using the Boulevard experience, through the booking widget. That's the one thing that I love about it is sometimes something so simple as code could touch so many lives. My name is Ashley Austin. I'm a senior software engineer. My start date with Boulevard was June 2020, and my location is Los Angeles, California. It started back at Best Buy. It started back when I was a young lad in college and really getting into just like technology, really loving phones and software. I used to jailbreak iPhones and Android and customize things. So that's really where it started. And then my journey took a left turn. Didn't go to a college that had computer engineering as any major. So I majored in business and then I went that route. But I was always interested in getting back into just like computer engineering, tech, and just like that whole world, because that was something that I always did on my spare time. And how I eventually landed back into specifically software engineering, I ended up looking up and seeing like, oh, there's these different boot camps and these, schools that people are learning to get back into tech later in life. I went to the program and then I went through a whole like self-taught journey. I did the whole open source thing, something that I had always wanted to get into. And it just so happened that I had people that I knew that were also doing the same thing and that were experiencing that same journey. It's scary getting into something that you felt like that time has passed, right? And you don't really see people like you that are going through that. That was my journey. It was a very long journey. It went on some detours, but I'm back home now. So yeah, it definitely feels like we're here to do the best work of our life, and we're really pushed to do that. And from the beginning of whether it was my first call with Sean or my first call with Matt, I've felt from that day up until now, into every leader that I have spoken with or that has been my direct manager, that I felt like I'm in a place where engineering is not just about putting my head down, typing and pushing out code, and then that's it. Like, I'm not a robot, I'm still a human being. Normally see or think of or hear that in the engineering tech space, it's more like male dominated. So working for a company where it doesn't look like that feels good. It feels like I'm working for a company that is thoughtful, that is thinking about that. The thing that I love about engineering is that something that seems so like trivial, okay, it's engineering, it's programming. You're just like programming, you're just typing some code and then that's it. But that thing that you are doing could also make someone else's life so much easier.